Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Check this out. So I am retiring the, what should I call this? Incognito, gorgeous luxury truck, Mac Daddy of all pickup trucks. I'm retiring the 2020 GMC Sierra Denali 6.2 liter V8 5. I'm just kidding. It's a 6.2. See, 6.2 guys, 6.2 V8 GMC Sierra 1500 6.2 liter Denali. I'm retiring the luxury of all trucks right here, guys. I've been driving it for over 6 months, and I'm finally putting it up for sale. So with that said, without further ado, here is the video. Hope you guys like it. If you do, there's a leave in my video. I don't like that. Get out of the way, leave. This is not your home. With that said, I'm gonna go over a few features and different things on this specific truck. We'll start off with the bed. Everybody always asks the question, how do you get the bed down and what's going on? Here's the problem with the bed. I love it and I don't love it. So I had a tow hitch in there a while ago, and I put the bed down, this little two-piece thing, and it barely kicked it right there, and there you can barely see it. It's like no bigger than my fingernail. Anyways, it did that and I didn't like it. That's the only feature I don't like about it. So you gotta hit this twice right here. This is a key condom, by the way. I call it a key condom. The key is inside there. It's in perfect condition. So you go like this, 1, 2, folds down. Then you gotta come in here, hit the other button under here. It's that one, there it is, it's the other one. So there's like all different kits you can buy for this. You can replace this pad right here, these 6 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts, and put like an amp, a subwoofer, and a whole bunch of speakers in there. It's pretty cool. And this folds down. So, I'm sorry, right here, the speaker, subwoofer. It's a kit you can buy. So I'll go over that in just a second. And what you do is you can walk up it like this. 1, 2, boom. You get your oh shit handle right here for if you want to hold on to. They kind of copied Ford's design. Click the button right here, hold it really tight. Click the button right here, goes right back down, sits in place. Lights on the inside. You want to use a hair dryer or plug in a blender to cook up some whoop ass. Right here's a great feature to have right there in your truck. Just to remind you again, when you're in the back of your truck, it just lets you know that you're driving a Denali right here. Spray and bed liner. You got like 55 cameras right here. You got your LED light, sunroof. When you want to walk down, just make sure you watch yourself, because this sucker bites too if you mess your shins up on there. And try to shut this all in one shot. So I'm right here, like, how do you shut it? Do you shut this first or do you shut that first? If you do this, it's like, whoa, it's kind of feels sloppy right here. You kind of like do it in all one swoop. You'll get the picture when you go to do it yourself. It's like hard to close whatever one first. You could close that first and still be wrong, and close the other one and still be wrong when you close the other one. So I haven't quite got used to that yet. But overall, I love it. I absolutely love the step rails. I'll go over that in a second. I'm gonna do it on that side actually, because the sunlight's on that side. The best features. Love the exhaust. It's incorporated into the bumper. It looks kick-ass. A few small scratches right there. There's another scratch around here somewhere. Anywho, moving on with the truck. Blind spot mirror kind of thing right there. Turn signals incorporated. All the cameras tie in together to create a 360 aerial view of the truck. It's kick-ass and awesome. So these are the best step rails I've ever seen designed yet. What it is you can get in the back seat right here, step up into it. Cool. If you want to get in the bed, how the hell do you get in the bed without a step rail? Well, GMC incorporated that design. Push the button. Goes all the way over so you can step your tail right up in the back of the bed and remind yourself that you are driving a Denali. When you're done, watch this, hit the button again. Goes right back to where it started from. So essentially it goes all the way over to the left-hand side to give you that extra 1.5 feet on the bed. When you close the door, oh, and it's got lights that shine down the ground, so that way you can see. 3, 2, 1. Right in, beautifully flush, chrome trim design. It's just an awesome truck. I tinted the windows 20%. Still get the sticker right on here. Husky floor liners right here underneath. Denali, letting you know you're driving a Denali again. I got a safe installed right here. Here's my rags, whatever. Safe installed, boom. Put your GATs, put your crazy tampons, your Viagra, rack of lamb, whatever you want to put in here, you can put in there. Drugs, call the cops if you want. And you can tell on yourself and hide it in there, and don't tell anybody what you're hiding. But I'm just kidding, guys. Whatever you want to put in there is totally up to you. In here, my smell goods. You got the 2020 the books, always inspected at the local GMC dealerships down the road. In here, an extra bag because I'm OCD as shit, and my son sometimes throws stuff in here, so I don't like it on the floor. Walking around, I love the way it's incorporated into the design of the headlight. This right here, boom, boom. Let's see, let's lock it, unlock it. Oh, I just lost my chapstick. Oh shit, boom, there's my chapstick. Sierra incorporated into the design, the fog lights, the chrome trim bezels, the front cameras right here. It's just an awesome truck. It really is. I love it. Kind of don't want to get rid of it, but I got something new I'm coming in that I'm going to be driving. Push one thing, key locks and locks, unlock and lock. Automatic, everything. Miles, 109,939. Bet you never thought that. Bose sound system, all folding mirrors. Hey guys, what's up? Unfolding mirrors, power seats. Denali, you're driving a Denali again, so you got to remind yourself every time you get in the damn truck. Engine push button stop start, electric trailer brake controller, downhill descent, auto start shut off. If you don't like that, I don't like that feature. This is to do the tailgate inside, heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, proximity sensors, hang up, disconnect. Let me show you this real quick. I don't want it to connect, so I'm not going to turn it on. But look in the pictures. This is actually backup camera as well. Let me see if I can start up super quick. Ready? See, look, twist it this way, backup camera. Hopefully it didn't connect to my Bluetooth, but anywho, awesome feature, by the way. Sunroof, the tag, it's charging cell phone station right here. The leather's in great shape, wood grain. I mean, you name it, this truck has it. Let's check out the power plant. 6.2 liter V8 engine. Storage compartments in the back. Oh, hit the unlock button, guys. Boom! Check. Oh, what the hell? Hit the unlock button one more time. There we go. Husky floor liner in the back too. Flip up the seat. Get down to business right there. You got all your stuff. License plate holder, trailer stuff, whatever you want to call it, and right back down to business. Put on your middle center console. Heated seats, heated rear seats. Charging stations by every S port, B port, you name it. Underside is super duper clean. There's the underside of the truck. Absolutely stellar and clean. Tires have about 30% tread, 40, maybe 35% tread on all four corners. They're Bridgestones. And that's all I have to say about the war in Vietnam. Park control, let's pop the hood, show you guys what's going on. Getting kind of dark. Gotta do it quick. Heads up display, by the way, right there. It's got heads up display. 6.2 liter, all the fluids are absolutely beautiful. Recently got changed to the local GMC dealership with dextrose oil only. New fluids everywhere, but it is a stellar truck and it runs and drives great. So this is, like I said, this is my personal truck. I'm retiring it because I'm getting something new. This is for sale. It will be priced around high 30s, I want to say. Under 40 grand. For a Denali, for a 2020 Denali 1500 6.2 liter, under 40 grand is killer. I think killer deal. There's gonna be skepticals out there, skeptics. Oh, they still got 109,000 miles. Well, you know what? You're probably either jealous or you can't afford one, or you're probably just an internet troll who wants to piss people off. So go back in your closet and take your hacky sack and your knapsack and your sleeping bag and go to bed. We don't need your business here on YouTube. We're all about positive people and helping people out and gaming up and drinking Coors Lights and whatever. But if you guys have any questions, hit me up, 540-898-3025, or visit the website to check this out for the full listings and video, www.superiorwholesale.org. That's superiorwholesale.org. 540-898-3025. See you guys later. Hope you guys are doing great. See ya.